Finding the right candidates for your open positions is a time-consuming process. Thankfully, setting up interviews in Calendly is anything but. Instead of the tedious back and forth of multiple email threads, learn how to automate scheduling with the Calendly platform. Calendly is a powerful tool that individuals and businesses of all sizes are using to eliminate their scheduling headaches. Users of the program find rescheduling interviews and managing multiple calendars simple. You can say goodbye to accidental double bookings and losing track of a candidate's information when you use Calendly. To schedule an interview in Calendly, you first have to create a new event type. From the Event Type tab, click on New Event Type. On the new page that opens, you'll be met with a few options. The best choices for an interview will be one-on-one and group. Group events let multiple invitees meet with you at one time. So for this tutorial, we'll create a one-on-one event. Here is where we add some details to our event. I'll give it a name first, then move on to the location field. Here, you're met with a number of options. You can set up an in-person meeting, phone interview, or web conference with multiple popular platforms like Zoom, Google Meet, and Microsoft Teams. If you choose in-person meeting, you can add the address of where the interview will take place. Then click Update. When choosing a phone call, you'll have the choice of calling the interviewee or having them call you. Calendly integrates with popular web conferencing platforms for your remote interviewing needs. These include Google Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams, GoToMeeting, and WebEx. With your preferred platform connected to Calendly, choose it as a location from the dropdown. The conference link will be automatically added to your invitation, so you won't need to worry about tracking down what link to send to invitees. After you select your location, add some more information about the interview in the description instructions text box. What you put here can help your interviewee feel as prepared as possible before the interview takes place. The event link is what you send out to have candidates bypass the pick event step and go straight to pick date and time. Event color lets you color code events on your personal dashboard and is the final step here. Once you choose one, click Next. Now we answer the question, when can people book this event? The answer to this question comes in multiple parts. First, we must choose a range of dates where we'll accept meetings. This can be a set amount of calendar or business days into the future, a specific date range, or indefinitely into the future. Choose one that works best for you. Next, we have to set how long our event will be in the duration section. There are predetermined lengths from 15 through 60 minutes, or you can set a custom duration up to 12 hours. With that done, it's time to set your availability. If you already use Calendly, you can use one of your existing schedules. If not, set up your custom hours. You'll have full control here, including setting up unavailable days, your available hours on specific days, and what time zone the interview will be in. The cool thing is that you can now save this custom time as a personal schedule if you plan on using it in the future. This will save you from repeating this process again for another interview or meeting later on. Before moving on, Calendly offers another very useful option in buffer time. If you need some extra time before and after your interview for prep, you can add that here before clicking Next. You've now successfully created your event, but you can go even further in ensuring your candidate arrives on time with notifications in Calendly. Get started by selecting Notifications and Cancellation Policy under the Additional Options section. There are 4 notification options to choose from: Calendar Invitations, Email Reminders, Email Follow-up, and Text Reminders. With Calendar Invitations, you can set up a personalized event that will appear in your calendar and those you've invited. Edit the title and body of the invitation as you see fit. You'll need a Google, Office 365, or Exchange calendar connection for this option. If you don't have one of these services set up, you can click Switch to Email Confirmations. Your invitee will receive emails along with a link to create their own calendar invite. Here, you can set up personalized confirmation and cancellation emails. That leaves the 3 reminder options. The email reminders function will send out a reminder email to your invitee before you schedule events. Email follow-up sends a similar automated email that is sent after the event is over. This can be a request for a review or to prompt next steps for the invitee. Text reminders is the last option, and it lets invitees choose whether they want their reminders sent as a text instead of an email. Each of these has distinct uses, but setting them up works the same across the board. If the option is shown as inactive, click the off toggle to turn it on. From there, you can personalize your message to invitees. When finished setting up your notifications, click on Save and Close to lock in your changes. If you want to save yourself even more time, Calendly has the tools for you. Let's start with workflows. Workflows let you automate parts of the interview scheduling process. Email notifications, reminders, thank you messages, and more can be automatically sent out for your event type. This means Calendly will do all the heavy lifting while allowing your invitee to receive all the resources they'll need before and after the interview. For anyone that uses LinkedIn messaging, you'll love the Calendly browser extension. With it, you can quickly share availability, create interviews and appointments, and more without leaving LinkedIn. It's a valuable extension that will keep candidates engaged with your hiring process and create less work for you. Scheduling with Calendly is not only a useful time saver, but one of the best ways to keep your hiring workflow organized. A more streamlined process for you means that candidates will be able to interview for roles with confidence. If you're interested in letting Calendly handle your interview scheduling needs, sign up today from the link in this video's description.